In this video, I will explain how to complete the assignment called Total Yearly Expense. And we're basing it off of that first table that we have in that C&M assignment that we got. So we'll use these numbers here and we'll figure out how to use a spreadsheet to add our tuition and fees plus our book supplies to get our total yearly expense. So it's pretty straightforward and quick. We'll start in cell A1 and we'll type the word college, and then we're going to put tuition and fees, books and supplies. And notice how the column isn't big enough, so you can go up to this little line here and spread it open a little bit, or you could double click it and it'll automatically go to the right width. So in column D1, we're going to put total yearly expense. I'll double click. So those are our column headers. And for the colleges that we are going to look at, we're going to look at C&M, UNM, NMSU, and then you're supposed to choose one of your own. Don't choose Stanford, choose something else, and then you go to that college navigator link and look up the numbers. I'm going to choose Stanford. Okay, so in the tuition and fees, we looked up using this link here, and we just looked up what the tuition and fees were, so I already did that. So we'll just enter those in: $1,650, $1,440, $78.75, $11.58, $7,087, $12.40, and then Stanford was $53,529 for a yearly tuition, and their books were $12.45. So almost done here. Now all we need is to figure out a way to add this number with that number, and we're not going to use a calculator because Microsoft Excel is basically a calculator. So we're going to type in equals, and then you click on the first number that you want to add, and it puts B2 because it's in column B, row 2. And then we need to put the plus sign, and then you click on the next number you want to add, which is C2. You could also type in C2, which I'll show you. You can just type in C2 and then that would work as well. And when you hit enter, it adds it up for you. So you don't have to do that again. Our work is done here. Now that we entered in this equation, we go to this little blue box on the bottom right corner and we just drag it down. And then it automatically adds all of the columns for you. So that's it. That our work here is done. I can make this table a little prettier by making the top row gray, and then I could put borders, and maybe I could make this left column a lighter shade of gray, and that is a nice looking table. All right, thank you.